Hello and welcome back. What I have here is Commodore 64. Shabam. It comes up. I want to try that again. Hang on. I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's coming up. See, I had a power supply that I think had a little wonkiness to it, perhaps on the 9-volt side. Anyway, here, you know what I need to do? I need to update the data card here. But here is a 64 that was not working. It was not. And there should be very little written on the back of it. Okay. Commodore 64 dead. Slight noise. Yeah. Okay. Vic-2 was dead. Sid was dead. 9012225-01 was dead. Put exclamation marks. Had their issues, but very likely that the power supply was the trouble. I'll just put Rudy here because I'm going to send it to Rudy to see. Not that he can fix it because normally I just cut the cords off, but to see what's what. Now, let's see here. I'm going to leave the Vic chip in here, or the Vic-2 chip, because I bent a pin pretty badly, but it's okay, so it can stay. Oh, okay, here's the SID chip that works. Okay. Vic-2 had a badly bent pin. Leave in. Okay. All right, so when I look at things here, I'm just trying to remember which chips were in here so I can have this as best as I can back in the way as much. Well, when there are 3 bad chips, you can't leave things original. But I did swap the 6526s out. I did. So I'm trying to keep, these chips are older, trying to keep them in their original thing, the matching thing. I am. But I'm going to have to find some other stuff to go in here to make this work. I shall. But that's okay. Alright, 6510. Okay, that I believe is the original. Certainly the PLA is not the original. And the big chip is not. Anyway, this now should still, if all has gone as planned, come to life. And it should come to life a little faster, because I think there was something with that power supply. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's faster. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with that. Maybe the 9-volt was on the low side. I don't know. Anyway, we're good. now, what do we got here? 6510. So these, best as I can tell, are the original chips that were in this machine. This is the one I was using to test. Kind of almost feels like a volleyball game today with all this going on. We're at the end of a point that's been so crazy. It's hard to remember where you started. It is indeed. Thank you. Oh, a little bend on the pin, but not bad. These ones kind of are slimed with white goop. I need to get more white goop. So I'm missing a ROM chip, a video chip. Let's make sure, what do we got here? U18, right? Remember, these are the ones that have the SID chip and the PLA chip are reversed in positions, and putting them in the wrong place can do bad things. All right. Oh, yeah, this is the one. U17 is the PLA chip. U18 is the Vic chip, and never the two shall be mixed up. And we've all done it. Just try to minimize when you do it. Okay. All right. So, yeah, I've been slimed a little bit. So there is the test machine that is now missing chips. So I need to find some other chips for this. I do. Now, the other thing I should do is, what does this say? Okay, this is the keyboard. It came on this machine. Oh no, definitely it is not. It is not indeed. See these little things here that line up? They do not line up at all. This is not the key. Well, it might have been the one that came on it, but it is not the one that fits on it. So let's see. Does this fit on here? Yes, it does. Okay. You sit there. Excellent. Now this thing, I'm not putting this back in. I'll just kind of stick it under here. So this one, this must be the one, because I'm suspecting that the prongs, the little fingers, meet very nicely. They do. With, it's like, no, yeah. Anyway, if you try and put the wrong one on the wrong thing, and I mean, they're all the same, but they're not. Surely you'll end up breaking something to do with the plastic. Surely. Okay, so now we'll put this on. We'll turn this on. We'll hear a little and then, oh yeah. Okay, so, oops, sorry. The keyboard is definitely dirty. It is Now that we can test it. Keyboard. So that means it's got to come apart to get cleaned. It does. But that's not bad. Out of the three, there are the screws. I'm not, as I say, where'd they go? Aha. I'm not putting the shielding back on, but I'm going to put the little screws back in the circuit board. I don't like that shielding. I've never liked that shielding. No way, no how, And the other thing I suppose that I should do, if I can find it, and I should be able to find it. Ooh, okay, here it is. The cover for the video chip. It can go on. It can stay in place. And it is beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, so don't like that snappy noise, but anyway. So we'll put the screws in place. And I'll update this to works. No SID. Alright, so just let's make sure that we know what we know. So turn this on. Okay. Alright, so I got 3 64's. So one of them had a bad Vic-20, a bad SID, and a bad, I believe, character ROM. Works. Keyboard needs cleaning. SID okay. Huh. Oh, this one worked. Okay, now I don't remember. Did I leave a SID in here? I don't know. So this is the one that had most everything not socketed, which means in terms of what I like and prefer, I would rather not keep this one. There are advantages to sockets, there are advantages to not. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, about the same. And then we have the third 64. All major chips socketed, 4 RAM chips, sort of like this, yeah. 1 key missing, 1 key missing. SID chip was bad, and keeping. Oh yeah, it was the SID chip. So basically, 3 broken machines, 2 bad SIDs, a Vic-20, and a character ROM. And that's it. So I'm going to put these all down here together. And now I need to get more stuff cleared because I have more stuff to test. Good test machine, yes. Because I've got another pet to bring in, but I have some other stuff to bring in. So I'm going to set that over here and turn this off. Take off my spectacles. And keep on keeping on. So not bad. Because when I saw the add up, It had 3 64's, 3 1541s, a 1525 printer, a bunch of joysticks, and I thought, that was a good price. So what could I do? I wish there was more working SID chips, but there aren't. And as I said, I think I'm going to start listing individual chips. I did sell a SID chip recently, and I know that it will make the fellow very happy. And there was no shipping, and there was no tariffs, and there was none of that because he was local. Well, in Canada, close enough that we could meet up in person. And that is a good thing. So, what time are we at? Okay. The time is reasonable. The time is reasonable. Well, my brother sent oh, look, now here I have a scammer who wants to be friends. You know what? I would not mind finding a significant other, but I do have a rather strongly built-in scam alert. Why is this not coming up? Censor. Oh, I'm on. Okay, now I'm on the right thing. Enter yes. A scammer. I'm not going to be scammed. But yes, I am in the market. That's not a really good way to put it. You know what? I'm looking for love in all the wrong places. Looking for love in too many faces. I don't remember the rest of the thing. Now, why is this not coming up? Maybe because maybe she's been deleted. Oh yeah, she's from Ohio. And pictures are not coming up. And supposedly we have a mutual friend. And yeah, it's a scam. Scam, 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 scam. So, yes. Everything seems to be working very slowly today. Maybe I'm not on the right Wi-Fi thing. Did it switch? Yeah, it did. I don't know. I just don't know. New items for there's new Commodore things. Let's see if we see something. No, it's still also painfully slow. Maybe this phone needs to be reset. I don't know. Anyway, once again, I don't need more Commodore stuff. I shouldn't be looking for it. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to reset this phone because it's just not happening. Okay, so the floor is full again. I got to get at this. Got to get the pet up here. I do. All right, David Bradley, back in the TV room. I'm your host. Have a lovely, lovely day. It's funny, I have a light here that I try and use to light up my face, but it's generally a pain. But I just thought of another place I could connect it or hook it. It's got a little clamp on it. I'll see about that. Anyway, I'm your host. Bye for now.